I've decided to test my new microphone and its new connector. I kind of got the wrong. Excuse me. Kind of got the wrong connector for what I wanted to do. That's okay. Like the microphone can't. What I'm saying is like the microphone had certain connections, and it didn't have the one that I needed, and there were other ones that did have the one I needed, and I had to buy another little connector to make everything work. So hopefully it's working. Check 1, 2. Ooh. So yeah, hopefully this works. It should. I mean, it wasn't like a big deal in terms of getting the auxiliary connector or anything. It's like $8 or $9 or something, and just had to go find one at like it's interesting. Like Walmart now has like a nice electronics section, so does Target. I actually went to Best Buy originally to try to find this thing, and they have like they sell the thing, but they didn't have it in stock, and so such was that. But yeah, I mean, it's not like a super techno thing. It was like a male to male 3.5 millimeter adapter thing. 3.5 millimeter, like the small headphone plug that used to be the thing before the lightning plug became the thing. So this is where I come out to have a smoke. That's what I'm doing right now. Just kind of taking a little pan shot here. I don't know how much this camera is going to pick up anything in the darkness, but I can see stuff. Not like super clearly, but maybe clearer than the camera. We'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to like test the microphone now with this new adapter cable that can now get me all the way. I was like, the cable companies talk about it's like the last mile or the last 100 feet or whatever they call it. It's like they can set up like great infrastructure throughout all kinds of things, but then like to get it actually into somebody's home and get them up and running and get them going on the backbone of this infrastructure, it's like that's the challenge. That's where it starts to cost a lot more. Fortunately, in this case, this little adapter didn't cost very much, but it rests on top of a adapter that's needed because I'm on the GoPro 7 and you need like a specialized like outside. The camera has its own microphone, but if you want to use an external microphone, you gotta buy this fucking adapter thing, and then yeah, and I don't think you have to do that. At some point they they had an input for microphones that weren't, you didn't need the adapter or whatever. So I don't know, it's cool. But yeah, the GoPro piece itself was like $50, and then the microphone was like 25 bucks itself, and but the little like male to male 3.5 millimeter adapter thing was only like $9. So not a very good analogy to the last mile because in this case the last mile was like the cheapest of the whole distance. But anyway, the concept of like getting something going for your external microphone needs, it's like it's a little bit more convoluted than you might like, but that's okay. We got this. Yeah.